Hello, viewer. Today we talk about a super saver and useful 15 color party kit, standard, rainbow. Amazon's. Available at a lower price from other sellers that may not offer free prime shipping. Kit includes enough tie-dye supplies for a party of 5 people. Features 15 easy squeeze bottles of highly concentrated non-toxic one-step dyes in popular colors, just add water to activate. No need to pre-soak fabrics in soda ash before dyeing, just add water to activate. Includes step-by-step technique guide featuring over 8 tie-dye looks to choose from. Dyes are safe to machine wash, colors stay bright and bold through repeated washings. Use with 100% natural fiber fabrics like cotton, rayon and wool for best results. Amazon link is in description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Inforoportal. Thanks for watching.